Hi, I'm Aaron Pestel. I'm here at Optoma stand at ISE 2024. I'm excited to show off behind me a couple of solutions we have from our site at Optoma Solution Suite, or OSS. So Optoma Solution Suite is one of a number of offerings we have on the show this year, focused on end user wants and needs, where we've looked to build offerings based on feedback. OSS focuses on three key areas: Whiteboard, which allows you to interact quick and show content from a whiteboard display using our quick launch pen or floating board. Display Share, which allows you to share content and present from your laptop, your phone or your PC in a couple of seconds. And File Manager, allowing you to access your local or cloud-based content at a click of a button. Optoma Solution Suite can be found across a number of categories, including projection, LED, interactive flat panels and professional displays. For more information or for our hands-on demo, head to optoma.com.